How to create unlimited Telegram accounts. So if you want to create unlimited Telegram accounts, then first you need to open up your Telegram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you just need to simply go with the upper left, which has that 3 horizontal icons. And here you will have a drop down on the right side. Tap on the drop down and you will have an option to add an account. Tap on add account and it will take you to the create account page. Now you need to select the country code and then the phone number and go with the arrow which is on the bottom right. Now if you don't have the phone number and if you want to create an account, then what you can do is just simply go with your browser, Google anything that you're comfortable with, and you need to search for fake mobile numbers or fake phone numbers. So tap on fake phone numbers and search, or you can also search for temporary phone numbers. So once you find once you search for temporary phone numbers, then you will find a lot of websites that will provide you the temporary phone number. You just need to simply copy your phone number from one of these websites and then paste it right here, and you will also receive the code right from where you've copied. And in this way you'll be able to create unlimited Telegram accounts. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.